Okay, I'm going back and forth between different techniques. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I do that. Generally speaking, I don't like equating coefficients. However, it's something you should learn. What I like best is kind of long division, but I do like if I see a pattern, I like to see patterns and just do the pattern. So let me go to the whiteboard and do the pattern, all right? Push this up, and let's write this down. And the problem is, let's see what the problem is. It's 2 minus x plus 3x squared. And they're dividing this by 1 plus 2x squared. Well, I'm going to write this a little differently. I'm going to write it as 2 minus x plus 3x squared times 1 over 1 minus a minus 2x squared. Now, why would I do that? I recognize the pattern that we've been doing for a while now. Let's write this down. So it's going to be 2 minus x plus 3x squared times, well, this is going to be the expansion now. So it's going to be, let's see, 1 plus the u. Well, the u is minus 2x squared plus minus 2x squared plus, it's still not easy. I'm not saying it's easy. Plus what? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, keep going, right? Minus 2x squared cubed plus minus 2x squared 4 plus yada, 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 yada. Now, someone says, could you write that down in summation notation? Yes, we can. But the bottom line is what I want to do is I want to expand it, all right? And expanding it, sometimes can be very difficult. But before I do that, I want to simplify what's inside. It's tough, though. I'm not saying it's going to be easy. 1 minus 2x squared. Let's see, plus 4x4, right? Minus 8x to the 6 plus 16x to the 8th. And then next term will be minus yada, yada, yada. All right? We're going to multiply. And it's tough. I'm going to do it. We're multiplying by 2 first. 2 minus 4x squared minus 16x6 plus 32x8 minus yada, yada, yada. All right, 1, 2. You know what? How many terms do I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I made a mistake somewhere. I'm going to look at it. Oh, I did. Let me erase it. By the way, I'm glad I counted because I realized I didn't do what I said I was going to do, multiply by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, minus 4x squared, plus 8x4, minus 16x6, plus 32x8. Let's see if that worked out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms, and 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 2, 4, 6, 8. Good. I did this. Now let's do this. What are you going to get? Wow, you're going to get minus x. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to leave some spaces over here. So let me get this eraser out. I am going to erase what's above it, but I'm starting to realize that there's other terms. I want things to line up nicely. So I'm going to say 2 plus no x minus 4x squared. There's no cubes. And sometimes your teachers ask you to do this when you're doing long division, right? Let's see. I'm losing track. Minus 16 x6 plus 32. Oh, by the way, this goes on. It's a problem, though. But all right, 32 x8. All right, I'm going to erase what's above it. I'm just going to put plus dot, dot, dot now, because it doesn't matter what the term is, plus or minus, doesn't really matter. All right, let's do the next one. I'm going to multiply across by x now. And what do you get? You get minus x. Let's see, plus 2x cubed minus 4x5. All right. And let's see, did I do that? Minus, yeah, minus. And then plus 8. You know what? I forgot to put the 7 in. That's weird, huh? Let me go back and erase it. I was talking about getting places, and I forgot to put it in. So plus 0x7, and then, what was I doing there? Oh, it's not good to erase things, is it? 0x7, 16. I can leave it at that. We don't need to go, we don't need further. We certainly have our 5 terms now. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, going to the 5th power is not that good either. Let's do the next one. A little bit easier. Let's put this down. So it's going to be plus 3x squared. Right? And then you're going to get what? Minus 6x4. And then what are you going to get? Let's see. I'm not going to go there. All right? So I'm just going to add it together now. You're going to get 2 minus x squared plus 2x cubed minus, not minus, but plus 2x4. And then I'm going to say plus yada, yada, yada. It doesn't matter because I got my 5 terms now. All right? Let me go back and read the question and look at the answer. And what they want at least 5 terms. Did we get that? I don't know. I have to look at it. So that they put more than 5 terms down, but I'm going, maybe the lazy man's guide here. I got the 2, I got the minus x squared, 2x cubed, and 2x4. They have a lot more terms in the cube, by the way. But they just asked for at least 5. We got 5. If you look at my key, I put more down. I guess I just did more work. All right? Thank you.